If you found this video, it's clear that you understood that you need to change your lifestyle. Keep watching and you'll thank me later.
Have you tried everything imaginable to overcome plantar fasciitis? If so, then I feel your pain. You're probably already very familiar with the conventional treatments for this condition and their shortcomings. Maybe you've started using non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs to manage the pain. The problem with anti-inflammatories and painkillers is that they only address the symptoms of the condition and not the root cause. For many people, it becomes necessary to take more and more of the drugs as their bodies become less sensitive to their effects over time. Your physiotherapist may have mentioned orthotic devices which can be helpful if you have abnormally shaped feet or very severe damage to your plantar fascia. However, it's important to note that these devices can be prohibitively expensive and are not guaranteed to work. In some cases, surgery may be a solution to plantar fasciitis, but the problem with surgery is that it is expensive and it can take a long time to heal. This is a difficult option for individuals with professions that require them to be on their feet throughout the day. I'm here to tell you that you can do much better than any of the options above. Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure is a top-selling guide to treating your plantar fasciitis naturally and rapidly. Improvement will be immediately noticed, and many patients find that the pain is completely gone in just 3 days. And I'm so confident you'll be more than satisfied with my guide, that I am offering a full 60 days no questions asked money-back guarantee. If for any reason my guide does not help you get rid of plantar fasciitis fast, just shoot me an email and I'll provide you with a prompt full refund, no questions asked. How to cure plantar fasciitis fast. This invaluable report will show you the correct approach you need to take in getting rid of your plantar fasciitis once and for all. To learn more about plantar fasciitis and proven techniques to treat and prevent it, the best guide on the matter is Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure by exercise rehab consultant Jeremy Roberts. This book provides reader with a step-by-step plan of action to overcome the pain and repair the damaged foot tissue. By following this plan, you can quickly reclaim your foot health and your quality of life. If you'd like more information about how to cure plantar fasciitis, visit http://www.alternathealthremedies.com/plantar fasciitis. Overall, this is an incredible guide and it comes at an unbeatable price and a no questions asked money back guarantee. You'll also get to keep your copy completely free if for any reason you are not fully satisfied. Another great part about it is that it's a digital download, so you start reading it within seconds. Download Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure today and you'll be on your way to healing your foot fast. Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure is a top-selling guide to treating your plantar fasciitis naturally and rapidly. Improvement will be immediately noticed, and many patients find that the pain is completely gone in just 3 days. What's more, Roberts is currently offering a zero-risk no questions asked money-back guarantee to anyone who orders his system from his personal website. Follow this link, http://www.alternatthealthremedies.com/plantar fasciitis.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.